Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix TikTok not opening on your mobile phone. So yeah guys, so let's get started today's video. So first thing, you're gonna open the settings, your mobile settings, and after that you're gonna scroll down and you can tap on general, and here you can see the iPhone storage. You can tap on it and go there and wait for a couple of moments. And if you wanna fix this problem, TikTok is not opening on your mobile phone, so it will be fixed. Don't worry, this is authentic way to fix this problem. So all you need to do, you need just find the TikTok app on your mobile settings on iPhone storage, and, and after you can finding, you can tap on the TikTok app. Here you can see, tap on it, and now you can see the offload app. You can see this option. Simply you're gonna tap on it, offload app, and tap on offload. After this it will be fixed. The TikTok is not opening. Channel for more amazing content and update like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.